Passive income ideas to build real wealth. Hi, it's Luigi, and welcome to Catapult Capitalism, your guide in making smart financial moves for your future. If you enjoy watching our videos, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get updated whenever we upload a new video. In today's video, we're going to share with you some passive income ideas to build real wealth. Are you ready? Well then, let's get started. Making money while you sleep. Now, doesn't that have a wonderful ring to it? After all, one of the aims of financial independence is to accumulate money that does not consume your time, allowing you to enjoy life and pursue your interests. The fact is that creating a passive income stream is rarely easy at first. It takes time, or money, or talent, or all of the above. Having various streams of passive income can make you more robust and better equipped to weather economic storms. Passive revenue is mostly a function of time. There are several ways to produce money, but not all of them are passive. For example, if it takes you 2 hours to make $100 today and the same 2 hours to make $100 next week or a year from now, that income stream is not passive since it requires the same amount of work, meaning time and money. On the other hand, opening an investment account today requires some work. However, when that account increases and you can check it 4 times a year, your returns increase while your work decreases. Side hustles are excellent ways to supplement your income, but not all of them are passive. Side hustles are often active, but with systemization, they may become passive revenue sources. The enterprise is not passive if you must consistently invest the same or greater amount of time for the same level of financial output. Remember that in the beginning, a passive income stream may take more time, money, or labor than it produces. Do not consider stock investing as a source of passive income. Why? Because stock appreciation is not considered income. Investing in reliable firms that pay out cash in the form of dividends, on the other hand, is unquestionably a passive income strategy. The distinction is whether you will receive a cash-on-cash return or if you will only receive a return if you sell the investment. Furthermore, assets such as cryptocurrency and commodities are designated for price speculation. There are numerous situations when these investments should be included in your portfolio, but unless you're earning yields or grit-bought trading, investing in this manner is not a reliable passive income approach. There is no secret method that converts your time into money. Instead, you sow seeds to ensure that your money grows even when you're asleep or walking your dog in the park. You may generate passive income whether you're an entrepreneur with a smart company strategy, a talented artist, or just have some spare money to invest. Here are some tips to start your passive income journey. Start building a nest egg. Open a high-interest savings account and deposit even just $100 into it. Over time, you'll be generating passive money. It may not be much, but you will earn interest on it. And many online banks will give you cash for creating an account. Assess your skills. What do you excel at? What is it that you are most enthusiastic about? Take a quick inventory of your abilities and discover how others have used them to develop revenue streams. Upskilling is another way to ensure that your potential is never wasted. You don't need another degree or any degree at all to start learning new skills. Consider your time, money, and effort. Time is a difficult concept to grasp since it is our most finite resource. Trying to acquire money or generate passive income can be a trap since it generally necessitates learning new topics or abilities, which can be quite time-consuming. Remember that while you may have to bite the bullet in the short term, your long-term aim is to minimize your time commitment. Are you completely committed? Work, family, and social activities already consume a significant amount of time. If you don't have much time, you may consider investing or hiring someone to perform the task for you. With all that said, here are some ideas for your passive income goals. Real estate. For a long time, real estate has been used to accumulate riches. Real estate investment applications have democratized access to this asset class, making it simpler for you and me to generate no-work passive income. Fundrise. Fundrise focuses on REITs, real estate investment trusts. REITs are the way to go if you reside in an expensive city or don't have the time to maintain a property. REITs own and manage income-producing assets, and the earnings are distributed to investors. Investing in REITs used to be expensive and time-consuming, but Fundrise has altered all of that. Fundrise's minimum investment used to be $500, but you can now start with as low as $10. Roofstock. Roofstock is a marketplace where you may buy turnkey single-family houses. The word turnkey implies that the figures have been crunched, the property may have been rehabbed, and renters may already be there. All you have to do as an investor is put up the money. When you buy a property, it is completely yours, and the rental revenue is paid directly to you. Peer-to-peer lending. The goal of peer-to-peer lending, or P2P, is to make a loan to an individual or a business. They then repay you with interest. Assume someone requires a $10,000 loan to consolidate their debt. They open up an account with Lending Club, for example, and are offered an interest rate on the loan based on their credit history, income, and other factors. The investor, who is you, also opens a Lending Club account and purchases the debt. The principal and interest are paid to you in your Lending Club investment account when the borrower makes monthly payments. P2P lending is underwritten by numerous firms. Some, such as Lending Club, enable personal loans, while others, such as Worthy, support business loans. The process is exactly the same. Returns are expected to be in the 5% range depending on the platform and loan type. While not quite stock returns, 5% or more is better than the majority of national bank interest rates. Buy a blog or website. Every year, thousands of blogs are abandoned by their owners. If you can find blogs with a decent level of online traffic and a track record of cash flow, it might be a great way to supplement your income. Most blogs use Google AdSense, which offers a monthly revenue stream based on adverts placed on the site by Google. There may also be affiliate programs that provide extra cash. In terms of money, blogs typically sell for 24 times their monthly income. So if the site earns $250 each month, you can probably acquire it for less than $6,000. In other words, a $6,000 investment will generate $3,000 in cash flow every year. Some sites have strong evergreen content that can continue to generate cash even when the site is no longer active. So a $5,000 investment can pay you continual passive income. If you acquire such a site and revitalize it with new material, you might even be able to boost monthly earnings and sell the site for far more than what you spent for it. Start a blog. If you can't afford to buy an existing blog or website, go make one. Your blog is working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. What's the snag? Well, it takes time to get things going. That's all. The sooner you begin, the sooner you can go on your journey to build an income stream. Passive income is a long-term investment that necessitates short-term sacrifices. If you're prepared to devote your time and resources to the procedures and concepts outlined here, you may be able to generate money effortlessly for years to come. You just need to know where to begin and how much money you're ready to invest in order for your passive income ideas to take flight. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification icon so you can be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you so much for tuning in to Catapult Capitalism, and I'll see you later.